टू द फोन लर्निंग। सो जैसे कि पहले हम पहले वीडियो में पाइथन का बेसिक कर चुके हैं और स्ट्रिंग देख चुके हैं क्या होता है। आज हम स्ट्रिंग के कुछ ऑपरेशन उस पर कैसे करना है या उसके रेडीमेड बिल्ट इन जो फंक्शंस हैं उनको देख लेते हैं। चलिए, जैसे कि स्ट्रिंग होता क्या है, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अल्फा न्यूमेरिक, like we can write hello world. Here we can also add symbols. This is a string. Now it start with 0, 1, 2 and so on. And if we go from the backward, it starts from -1, -2 and so on. I hope it is clear. Now come to the point. If we want to manipulate this or perform some operation, we can use first one is concatenation. It means merge or join two strings. We can do it by a operator plus. Like, let's take an example: s1 hello, s2 world. Now if we want to concatenate, we will just write s1 plus s2 and the output will be hello world. I hope it is clear. Now come to the next, repetition. Here we can also use repetition operator. It allows the repetitive value. How many times if you want? If you want like 3 times, you can just use multiple operator and the number which you want to repeat that value. So suppose s1 equal to hi. Now we want to write it 3 times. Now we will just write print s1 into 3. Now output will be hi, hi and hi. I hope it is clear. Now come to the next. Third one is membership. We can check the membership by a operator in or not in. Just we have to write that line. Suppose the s1 is equal to hello world. Now just we have to write print w in s1. It will return true or false. If w is here, so it will return true, otherwise it will return false. I hope it is clear. Now come to the next, slicing. Slicing means it takes a part or a piece of a word or string. That is called slicing. We take substring from the string. It can be done just by writing the length. Like, syntax will be string name n colon m. Here n means starting range, m means end. Whenever we write whatever value here, it will not included in result. Not included in result. It means start from n and end from m minus 1. I hope it is clear. And the substring, number of characters in substrings is m minus n. I hope it is clear. Let's take an example. s1 equal to hello world. Now we want to slice from 1 to 5. So we have to just write s1 1 to 5 print. Now the output will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now from 1, this 2, 3 and 4. I already told you last one will not include in a result, so it will give from 1 to 4 in a final result or substring. So output will be ELLO 1 2 3 4, 5 not included in substring. I hope it is clear. Now come to the next, traversing. ट्रैवर्सिंग मीन्स जब हम ट्रैवल करते हैं किस में, स्ट्रिंग में. बाय दिस वी कैन एक्सेस ईच कैरेक्टर, ओके, बाय ट्रैवर्सिंग. इट कैन बी डन बाय अ लूप. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फॉर लूप फॉर ch in s1. Let's take s1 equal to hello. Now we have to just print ch. Now output will be hello. It will by default take enter when the loop start from a next. Here what will the process? Now s1 equal to hello. First one it gives h to s, okay. Now print h. Second time loop will take a e and it store ch and it will print e. Third time it will take l and it will print l, and so on. I hope it is clear. Whenever it loop start from next, it takes an enter. If we want not a enter, then we will use end. Now take an example of while loop. I equal to 0, I लेस देन, जब तक लेंथ हो हमारे स्ट्रिंग की तब तक रन करें एंड प्रिंट s1i. now and equal to, here it will not take an enter, I plus equal to 1. now output will be hello world. if input is hello world, so output will be hello world. It will not take enter, okay. I hope it is clear. The process will be, firstly in I, the length what is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How many characters present in a string? That is a length. So it is length. Firstly it is 0, it is less than 11, so it come under the loop. It will print si. s1 I means 0 पे value what is h, so it will print h. now again I plus 1 means I की value अब यहाँ हो गई 1. now it is also a less than 11, so it will also come in under the loop and it will print s1. and what is the value 1 index e, it will print e. because of n, it will not take an enter, it will write here just after h. I hope it is clear. now in our next video we will take a built-in functions. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. थैंक यू गाइस.